number twos, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is Himali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist, and life coach. Let's look at what are the energies coming up for number twos and how is the rest of the March going to be for number twos. Let's pick up your cards for the general energies. We've got Five of Swords and we've got Queen of Wands. It just fell. Sorry. Five of Swords here indicates that you could have had an argument with someone. Most likely an Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius that has left you very, very emotionally void. And this is something that you've not. This is something you haven't expected in a very long time. This person could be your boss. Most likely your boss, can also be your colleague. I don't see that situation in your love front. This is more likely a love situation. I don't see this situation in your love front. This is more likely a work situation where you've had an argument with a lady authority figure, and she has made it a complete mess for you to stay in this environment. You feel extremely hurt, disappointed listening to her words, and the argument itself has left you quite dry. So I would advise you to see things and observe them for a few days, because you have a success point coming in. So before you take any steps, please wait and watch for a while. On the love front, you've got Seven of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. So you have been waiting for someone to give you an answer in terms of your love. Very high chances that they will also say a yes in the heat of the moment, and you could very abruptly start something new with someone, which is great. Also could mean that you have been waiting for your money to grow. You have been waiting for your investments to grow. Maybe you wanted to reach a particular level in your financial hierarchy, after which you would want to invest time in your love relationships, and your other person or the person you are dealing with wants a quick start to this. There could be conflict of interest. Whatever it is has to be on the back burner for the rest of the days, because your career will most likely be your priority for the rest of the March. On the career front, we've got Queen of Swords, Six of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles. So again, two queens and two Seven of Pentacles here indicate, two queens indicate a sincere friend, and two Seven of Pentacles indicate some sort of a news that you could be getting. A friend could bring in a certain amount of news for you. There could be a news of promotion, or there could be a news of transfer. Your friend could also bring you new opportunities that you've been looking out for. Again, I see that you've been having a very hard time here, but if you actually sort of investigate a little, you are going to find information that's going to be more favorable for you in your career. Maybe network a little more at work, and you're going to find some hidden gems that will change the game for you altogether. Let's look at some of the advices that we have for you. An advice from Moonology, since we've just crossed the new moon. It's time to take action. So quite certainly number twos, it's time to take action. Within a month, I see you moving places, moving designations. I also see you moving quite further ahead to where you are right now. The lucky color for you is cherry. The lucky number for you is 9. Live an extraordinary life. The number for you, the love advice for you is wedding. This situation involves marriage. So most likely this partner wants a marriage and you're not sort of ready to give them. An advice from the spirit animal is hawk, focus, choose your priorities and eliminate all distractions. So, like I've been saying, this love life situation can be a little of a distraction right now because you have to conquer something on the work front, and that has been your priority. So you need to keep the love situation on a back burner for a few more days and first conquer this and then move on to that. If there is something that you've been waiting for, an assurance, an answer from an angel, something that you should know, number two, is that you need to remain positive, because only and only when you remain positive, things will happen for you. So remain positive, number twos, and things should really, really look up for you in the first week of April. So, number twos, this was your reading. Please let me know if this resonates with you. If you would like to have a personalized reading, please log on to our website and go under the service section, and you can choose your readings, personal or business, whatever it is, you can choose, and we will revert to you in the next 24 to 40 hours, 48 hours, and we can take it up from there. So, number twos, I will bring you more content very shortly. Until then, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.